morning, guys. Crazy. At least Randy doesn't have to work today, doesn't have to drive anywhere. Go outside and potty. Let's see what you're gonna do. Ready? Don't step on poo-poo, guys. Wanna go inside? Yuji. Haru, what are you digging over there? For breakfast, I'm gonna have leftover from last night. There's a little bit. There we go. I want tea always in the morning, but I feel so thirsty, like dying thirsty, so I'm not gonna be having tea. Maybe later. Sit. Look at Yuji's, hey, collar. There's a big giant ball. Oh my goodness. Sit. Good job. Before you pour it, like most oops, but yeah. Snacking on some raisins. I didn't expect it to taste the same as the regular brand one. I think it's Sunmade, but it tastes exactly the same. It's still snowing outside. Crazy. Look at that. Hi, babe.
Hi. How many do you want?
1.5.
Cool. The bottom one doesn't have blueberries because that's about.
Well, as you can see, Randy is making blueberry pancake, and we got some sausage too. It's one of my favorite sausages, and I think Randy likes it too a lot. That's why I'm buying it, right?
Pretty good.
This one right here, Applegate Naturals. And then we got the pancake here. Yuji Pooji, what you doing? So I'm making us lemon water. So I sliced the lemon there and I got my lemon squeezer. So I squeezed the lemon in here. I really love this lemon squeezer. It really gets all the juice out, if not all, almost all of it. Like, look at that. It's really amazing. Rather than just squeezing it with your hand, you don't waste the lemon. You wanna go potty, Huge? Go outside. Potty. How do I wanna go potty? Come on. Don't eat that. Yuji's eating the snow outside, babe. It's not so bad because the road has been plowed, at least this road right here.
It
But
hasn't been plowed.
oh,
I think
so
it's just been sticking really. At least in the street.
we're at Winco looking for dog bones.
And get them some large bones. Some large dingoes.
Like this one right here. Nope. So we just finished at the grocery store. I'm not too cold, are you? Which is surprising. I mean, it's cold, but not like shaking cold or anything like that.
It's 31 degrees out.
I wanna vlog in the snow. I have nothing to say though. Randy, why are you over there? Even though it's got all the snow, it doesn't feel like it's that cold. Are you cold, babe? I've never shoveled the snow before. Maybe I should try it. So it's only 5 o'clock and I've been cooking for maybe 30 minutes now. I just decided to cook early so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm making spaghetti. The sauce is ready. There's a bunch of meat there which I like. So now I'm boiling some eggs over there. That's for this week's snack slash breakfast, whenever we want it. I'll like boil it now, peel it, just put it in the fridge and get it whenever you want it. And then for veggie, I've made some Brussels sprouts. I sliced it and sauteed it in butter and salt. Tastes really, really good. I usually don't like Brussels sprouts, but usually that's when it's so thick and there's no flavor inside. But I decided to thinly slice it this time, and I really like it. It's still really crunchy. Probably was in the pan for like 5 minutes, really short. So over here I'm making the noodles. I'm a little annoyed I don't have another pot. I need to buy another pot. I've been eyeing a Kaufland one at TJ Maxx for a while now. I think I should get that soon. So I finished making dinner. Look at that, guys. I think it looks pretty good. Tastes pretty good too. I'm using my favorite bowl from my aunt. And then lunch tomorrow. Wow, guys, it's still snowing out there. I don't think it ever stopped since last night. So I got this comforter. It's really soft. From my mom. Well, I guess my mom and my aunt in Roseville. I guess someone gave this to my aunt. She didn't like it. And so she was going to give it away to someone. And my mom said she was going to give it to me or something like that. Anyway, I think this is the other side. I think this is supposed to go. This purple side I think needs to go on the inside. Because the design is on over here. See all the ruffles and all that. But I don't like those. So we can put it on the other side. Randy and I are not a big fan of the design. But it's a pretty good comforter. So we don't have a lot of that. So we took it, and the only thing that's gonna be an issue with this is it doesn't get clean well in the washer because I pack it down like so hard, like I have to put my body weight on it to go around the little round thing in the middle of our old washer. So I can still kind of smell a little bit of dust, but whatever. But the only thing that's so weird, so if this is the outside part, I don't know why this part right here is showing. It shouldn't show. That's why I'm so confused. I figure maybe it's two-sided type thing. You know, whatever. Do you guys like the bed? Do you guys like the new comforter? Yuji, what are you doing? You're gonna ruin the new blankie. You're gonna Can I help you? Am I yummy? How to say cheese? Cheese! Cheese! Yuji, you wanna say cheese? Cheese! Ow! Yuji, stop scratching the bed. Jeez. Yeah, tell him, Haru. Tell him, no scratching the bed. Ew, Haru, did you fart? Don't kick him on the face. Jeez. I just got out of the shower. I have to make sure this is pretty high because I am naked. I'm just sitting here putting lotion on. I just finished. And I want to show you Yuji. Look how cute and comfy he looks. Yuji. Yuji. I fixed his bed. It's newly washed and everything. He loves it. And Haru's over here. Haru. Are you tired? Hey guys, it's pretty late, so I'm gonna be ending the vlog now. I guess I will see you next weekend.